I'm not gonna play no games.
Shop is closed.
What the fuck?
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? We out here on this Ram 3500 quad cab long bed 4-wheel drive who decided it was done turning on for the day.
Shop is closed. Fucking on the door it says doesn't open until 8. I already told you, I already looked in there.
But we soon realized when we got out there that all the places where the neutral bypass was supposed to be, it wasn't. What the fuck? It's usually right there.
I know. And I even pulled that one off over there on the side.
Huh.
And I pulled off the fucking inner panel on that side just to see if there was something there.
That's
you can
crazy.
See where it's supposed to bolt to.
Yeah.
Come on, I don't call you over here for nothing. I call you over here because this is a pain in the ass.
Yeah, I believe that. So originally when I was sent out here, it was to help get this thing into neutral so we can get it loaded on the flatbed. So what, he just came out here and it was just like this?
No, he left I guess he left the key on yesterday or something.
Uh-huh.
Drained the batteries really bad. Well, AAA came out and put 2 brand new batteries in it. It's still no power on the dash.
Huh.
I checked, yeah, I've already checked all the fuses, everything. I've been here over an hour.
No shit.
Go under and pop the language. I'm like, well, yeah, maybe, but I don't want to get ran over.
Yeah, not where it's sitting. No way. So once we figured out that that wasn't an option and this thing is stuck in park in this guy's driveway that is completely epoxy finished. Maybe what I might do is just unload that thing I got over there. I might have to basically double load it because I might have to grab it by the rear to pull it out of here, put it down, and then grab it by the front because the dollies ain't gonna handle that motor.
No, and that's what I was thinking too. But
Yeah.
that's why I called you, because I knew you were in the bigger truck.
The plan was that I was gonna pull that thing out by the ass end, set it down in the street, flip around, grab it by the front end, and put the dollies on the rear. I would just double load it. I'd load the rear, pull it out, put it down, put that heavy motor on the truck, and then put the bed on the dollies, and just do it that way.
I mean, I'll help you do whatever if you want to swap calls then.
I don't have the keys to that, but there's a bypass on the
Well, as long as you can put it somewhere straight that I can get to.
You tell me what would be easy. I'll park it over there across the street if that make it easier.
Over there would be fine.
Okay.
I'll pull up to
All right, let me go unload it, and then the only thing really I'm gonna need you to help me with is to make sure that I don't scratch this driveway.
Yeah, no, that's fine. So yeah, if you just park it where it's straight, I don't even care if it's in the middle of the fucking road, just straight to where I can get it neutral. I'll
Cool, that works. So I've dropped the load that's on me so I can turn around and trade with the flatbed that's there so he can take the minivan that I had and I can take this 3500 where it needed to go. Watch your toes. All right, she's good.
Turn it all, or
Yeah.
That's all I need. Turn it back down. There you go.
All right, let's have fun. think I should get a pay raise. This is a medium duty.
Alright.
I'm gonna float.
Up when you get up in the curve.
Yeah, I'm gonna float it a little higher so then that way when we get right up to the wheels, I can just set it right on the ground.
Gotta go up. Turn it on.
It's on.
Alright, go back. That's why he's here. Oh,
Yeah, we can't get it into neutral.
now you can't find the doggone.
Yeah, it's not where it's supposed to be in there at all.
Oh.
There's a panel where they usually keep them, but it's not there.
Yeah, he said it wasn't.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna load it like this to get it out of the driveway. Then I gotta set it back down in the street, flip around, grab it by the front end, put my dollies on the rear, and then we'll get you towed.
Pull it in the car?
Yeah. Yeah, because I'm gonna pick the whole thing up off the ground. Is that the grid? Is it adjusted all the way good?
Well, let's see. Out more? That's it.
Okay, I need to back up more then.
I was gonna say, you might want to back
Yeah, I gotta back up more.
up. You want me to pull it in a little?
No.
Or you just want to back up straight?
Yeah, because I want to make sure this
I know,
boom.
I was watching.
Yeah, man. How's it looking?
This should get you off to get him up, now off the driveway.
Yeah. All right.
Trying to do.
I'm gonna throw a strap on there just to be on the safe side though.
That's fine.
That's a heavy truck. I'm not gonna play no games with this heavy of a truck.
I got a lot of tools in that toolbox.
Do you?
I got a little generator and an air compressor. It takes up a lot of room and space.
Well, no problem. This truck will be able to handle it, I'm sure. That's gonna be one hell of a picture to see how long I'm gonna be between a truck and this. I'm gonna be a boat.
It's like telling Vince, I'm like, man, this is a mega cap long bed. I don't even know if it's gonna, the rear wheels are gonna end up on my truck.
Well, I pulled a doggone fifth wheel with it.
Yeah, I believe it.
The total length is probably 53 feet or something like that. I mean, hooked up. Yeah.
You know what? Nope, I'm still gonna do it. Peace of mind.
I'm right here, I can watch it.
Yeah,
You're just trying to pull out so you get to the front of it is all you're doing.
right.
Lock the front. This is lock the front.
No, because it's in too high, right?
Yeah, as long as you weren't in four-wheel drive.
I hope not.
If you're in 4-wheel drive, then
we gotta reevaluate this plan.
problems, 'cause at home it's all electronic.
Yep.
There's no power. Nope, can't do nothing.
That's weird how it locked up like that. All right, let's see. Luckily for us, this thing was only going a couple miles around the counter. So we went ahead and hooked it up, pulled it out.
Just tie out the steering wheel.
You think so?
You're only going 2 miles.
Man,
Keep it under fucking 40, you'll be fine. Honestly, it's in 2-wheel drive. I think you'll be fine to go 2 miles if you keep it under 40.
It's only a couple miles over there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know where it is or not.
Yeah,
You're
because
going to that, what, Sun City Auto, I think is what it is?
Yeah, I think it's Sun City, I think it's Tire and Auto.
Yeah, Sun City Tire and Auto.
I can get you over there, but I don't know.
well, yeah, well, I have the call, so it's on me now, so I got the address.
Yeah.
Is there anyone specific I talk to when I get there?
I gotta go with you.
Oh, you're going with me?
I'm
Okay.
gonna go with you.
Okay. All right. No
But
problem.
You're gonna take his.
Yeah, I'm taking
Yeah,
his car
we
and going.
swapped.
I'm
Yeah.
trying to-
Jump in there with you.
Yeah.
Away we
So
go.
I'm trying to decide what he wants to do, and before I
Yeah.
help him,
Yeah,
help him finish
yeah.
loading.
Yeah, it's not that far.
I think.
I really don't think them dollies are going to do good with this thing at all.
No, I think if you tie the steering wheel down, you'll be just fine.
Yeah.
Many of 4-wheel drives like that.
We'll just slow roll it the whole way.
Yeah, as long as you
Yep.
keep it under 40, which you're in Sun City, so
You ain't got no choice.
you ain't going anywhere else.
All right, that works.
Straighten the wheel and tie it off.
Ooh, boy, that's how you know it's a 3500.
Oh yeah, it's gonna turn.
Hell no. See, that's why I canceled my gym membership. Got it all set up, loaded the customer in my truck, drove the 2 miles that it went, 25 mile an hour, around the corner. There we go. Okay, that's good enough. You know, the one thing that I've noticed about this towing industry is that everybody is so quick to talk shit. All right, cool, man. I appreciate you. But sometimes we need each other. Sometimes we need to work together to achieve a goal to get these cars moved and where they need to go. Now, I don't care how long you've been towing. I don't care how many jobs you've done. Everybody at some point in time needs help. I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.